Okay, so since my last video, I managed to get all the lights up, which was pretty cool. I installed the last 4 lights a few days ago. 1, 2, 3, 4. So check it out. Look at that. Very pleased with it. Lights are up. I'm sanding the loop sections that I have. Then I'm going to, very next, clean up. I've been cleaning up a little bit of the floor, clean up the sawdust I have a lot of places, and mainly clean up the backdrop so I could do the how to do a backdrop video. So that's right here, see? There's the backdrop. 2 rolls, I'm gonna need much more. So once I install this, I'm gonna need, probably like another 5 more rolls. With that being said, I put up more of my autograph photos, which is pretty cool. I have one that's gonna be a little controversial, but hey. So Morgan Freeman, Christian Bale, of course Bill Cosby, there he is. The lovely Diana Ross, she is the bomb. Of course, as you can see, I was over here sanding. So when I'm sanding, I make a mess and boom. 3 classic stars right here, yo. Classic, Michael McDonald, Harry Belafonte, and Kenny Loggins, son. Kenny Loggins. Who else do I have over here? Over on this side, I just got Jimmy Carter. President Jimmy Carter. Oh, one of my favorites over here. Let me show you my newest. Check this out right here, check this out. One of the greatest female singers right there. Stevie Nicks. Shoot, that's hot. I know you guys want to see this one, right? Yeah, you do. Of course you do. Zoom in, son. It's Bond girl. Anyway, so right now I'm gonna get back to finishing sanding these and then cleaning. So that's it, that's what I'm working on for now. I don't know what else to bring up. I guess I can show you what the ultimate plans are again for anybody who's just joining me. I could show you my mock-up I made a year ago? Yeah, about a year ago, check it out. So, when I walk down the bottom of my stairs, there's that little section right there. And then you're gonna go all the way around and boom, boom, boom. This is that 7-inch, this is that 7-foot loop. 22 inches in between. Anyway, let me get back to sanding stuff and getting more dusty all over. And that's it. Okay, so before I end this video, I just wanted to give you an idea. This is the rough idea of what it's gonna look like. This is your whole circle. So as you can see, it's fairly big. This is pretty decent. This is a really good size. Let's give a quick measurement. Okay, from one end to the other. Holy shit. This is 94 inches. So it's just short of 8 feet. So theoretically, if you do the math on this, 94 inches, half of that is what your radius degree is. So half of 94 would be 47. I'm impressed. I'm very, very happy with how this will turn out. This, again, as I told you guys in the video 2 videos ago, I was winging this shit. So to give you an idea of what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be taking these 1x4 sections and cut them into smaller pieces. They'll be like a T. So what will happen is when I do the T, this will eventually go on the bottom of here and it will go around the layout just like this, the T. So the T will be on the bottom and the T will support the bottom of this as it goes around. So there'll be a gradual grade of that tall 5 inches above before it goes down that way. It's gonna be really nice. I'm very happy with what I've done so far. I just look back and I'm thinking, wow. Wow. People ask me all the time, I'll give a quick rundown. I live in Connecticut. A lot of you, for some reason, always assume that I'm in California. Yes, I love California. I love the western scenery, the desert, the palm trees are my biggest draws, you know. Versus here in Connecticut, I call them the green tree, green grass layouts. I'm not a fan of those. Everyone has a green tree, green grass layout. I said this a long time ago, so we're going back to my videos. But 15 years ago, I was talking about I didn't want to build a layout with green tree, green grass. So Southern California is what it is. Again, I live in Connecticut, not California. I am not a carpenter. My full-time job is a career firefighter. I have a side business, Monster LEDs. Yes, I do, and those are selling. I just did a lot of videos. As you guys know, if you watch a lot of my older videos, you know that I've done a lot of how-to videos. I've learned so much in the last 15 years, you know, where I'm on another level. I'm building this way because I learned that. I built my first layout using 2x3s, all 2x3s. So you imagine how big, bulky, and heavy that was. That wasn't coming with me. On this layout here, I built it all 1x3s with like 1/4-inch luan. Totally different than my first layout. My first layout was 2x3s with wafer board, so pretty thick wafer board. So this is a totally different build. I've learned from a lot of you. I've learned from some publications, some videos. I've learned by trial with error because I also come up with ideas myself and I just do them. Trying things on my own, seeing if they work, if they don't work, that's a part of doing model railroading, I think. That's part of life. So I've learned through trial and error. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For now, I'll see you on a rebound, all right? Peace out, son.